Hello, I'm going to show you a couple ways to back up your Proloquo2go vocabulary from the iPad. So when you have your Proloquo app open, the first thing we're going to do is click on this little gear, which is the settings. From here, you'll scroll down till you see backup. Select backup, and there's a few options. First, we're going to show backing up to Google Drive. So when you go to toggle on Google, it's going to ask you if you want to share and to continue. Then you'll need to log in to a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a free Google account. So now it says that Proloquo wants to access your Google account. Allow. Now I'm going to say that I am backing up my user now, and it will show the progress where it is sending this to my Google Drive, and it tells me the last date that I backed up. You can then share a Google Drive folder with anyone that you need to. If you needed to share it with your SLP or the family so that they could sync or do remote vocab editing. And also just to make sure that in case anything were to happen to the device that the vocabulary would be saved. Another option is to back up to Dropbox. You can create a free Dropbox account and install the Dropbox app on your iPad. And you have to allow Proloquo to access Dropbox. Now I can say back up now. And it showed doing Google Drive, and now it shows also backing up to Dropbox. And again, from Dropbox, you can do file transfers to share these files. So I hope those 2 ways to back up help.